Hey guys, so I want to show you some of the items that we got. We just registered with the city of Waterloo and they said come and pick up toys for your child. I'm like, these are the Christmas gifts I'm going to give this boy. I'm not buying any single new gift, because if I just do a 360 of this room, half of the room, literally half of the room is covered with toys. He's spoiled for choice. I don't think there's any point in buying him more toys. The only thing I can buy or invest right now are educational materials for him. Then maybe his favorite snacks and all of that. But you see, toys, I've had it up to here with toys. I'm trying to even pack some toys that I know he's not using and give them away, because they are a lot. they are so much. And this one thing with these kids, once they are done with one toy, of the reason why we are here. So we got this one. It's like a sand station, but they wrote sensation now. English. So I'm thinking it's like colored sand and things that you can mold with it, because if you look at this other side, you would see that they have different colors of sand and different molding blocks and shovel. Why I feel like there's going to be sachets of sand in it is because when I flip to this side, I can see like different sand things there. So I picked this one. They'll just tell you pick one item from here, pick one item from there, and this is what I picked for him because he loves numbers and shapes and alphabets, and he can mold it himself if possible. Then I got him, I picked this Spider-Man one because he likes Spider-Man, or I don't know whether he likes it or I make him like it, because his pillow right now is Avengers, Hulk, and Iron Man and Captain America. Because I'm in his room. This is his room. His bed sheet now has like some police characters, and it has most of his clothes have dinosaurs or action figures in it. So I don't know if it's my childhood playing out, or I don't know. I guess because I buy these things, so I think so. So anyway, we picked Spider-Man. So I just hope this Spider-Man is able to maybe talk or move. I just hope it's not just stationary, because I don't know what he's going to do with it. He likes baby shark, so I got him this shark. He has a bigger shark. Let me show you guys, so that you'll not think I'm exaggerating with this toy thing. So we got this small shark, but let me show you the big shark he actually has, guys. 1 second. So this, you can see that I'm not joking when I'm telling you that toys and toys. So this is a bigger shark, and this is his old toy. He has actually, okay, still makes noises. I'm about to say he has actually messed with the sounds, but the way it works is you put in this place has like so many submarines. If you open here, if you open here, it has like over 10 submarines here, tiny pieces on both sides that my Smolly has definitely thrown into one of those toy baskets in front of me. And you put it through the tail and it comes out from the shark's mouth. So that's the way it works, or that's the way I assume it's used to work. Yeah, and this goes open and close. So this one, I've not seen him play with this toy in a long time. So anyways, like I said, we got the other shark, the smaller shark, which I'm sure he'll be like. But anyways, I picked the smaller shark because that's the only thing I feel like can relate to him within that set of items they told me to pick. Then I picked this truck, which I know that I'll have to, it's going to be a project, because I know that I'll have to assemble it for him to use, and I am not going to give him this toy for Christmas, because the problem is I don't have time to assemble it now. So most likely I will keep it till maybe after first quarter of 2025, and that is when I will uproot it, and I believe I will have time that time to set it up then. So it's like a track, and there's a truck that we would use to navigate the track. So I love this one for him. What else did he get? Okay, then this pillow. Oops, where's the pillow? Because he has started using it already. He saw me when I was coming with it, so I couldn't hide it. These fluffy pillow, I love it for him because he likes to squish things. So yeah, I picked this pillow for him. I picked some exercise books, some textbooks, which I don't have here. One is on his reading station because we started using that one already. The other two I've packed them up because I don't want him to tear them or play with them yet. And my lovely friend Mary gave him this teddy bear, which he loves. He has two big teddy bears, but not as big as this. This one is almost his height. My son is just 4. He's slightly taller than it. Slightly taller than it. But he loves this one. He cuddles it every night or just plays with it during the day. So I love this one for him. So to even show you that toys are too many in this house. This, oops, that I don't say it too. This is from last year's Christmas gift. We haven't unboxed this one. It's actually a car and a controller here. He loves cars, and I'm sure that by the time I bring this out, he's gonna play with it. So I'm thinking that maybe I should hide this shark and this truck and track and give him, since it's from last year, give him this car and controller with the sand station and the Spider-Man fiction stuff, because he already has seen this one. He's already in love with this one and the pillow. So yeah, that's it. All right guys, let me send you back to the video. Guys, this is the second surprise we got. It's not a surprise because we already knew, registered for it. We got it last year as well. I didn't make it properly last year. We cut it into bits and we grilled it, but now I want to make like a whole turkey, which I will be doing a video on. Right now I just want to wash it and I will show you guys what I'm using to marinate it. Okay, let's go.